Prema from LG Electronics. Today's recipe I am making for the soya chunk kababs. So normally for the soya chunk, whoever making for the dietary options, so they can use it very well. But in the microwave, you can make very easy to that. So for the ingredients, so here I taken for the soya. I soaked in the 10 minutes in the hot water. So for this one, I can add a masala here. So here I can add the masala for the chili powder. So according to your style of masalas you can add. So this is for the garam masala. So here I can add for the pepper powder. So ginger garlic paste we can add. So ginger garlic paste is a option. You want to add, you can add the ginger garlic paste. Just half spoon of the ginger garlic paste. So this is I am adding for the tandoori masala also. So half spoon of tandoori masala we can add it in this. Half spoon of tandoori masala. So salt to taste we can add here. Salt to taste and 2 spoons of corn flour. So instead of corn flour you want to add for the other masalas also. You can add for the kabab masala also. You can add it on the kabab masala for this. So for this we can add just 2 spoons of oil on this one. Teaspoons of oil. So this is we can mix well. So marination for the 10 minutes we can use it for this. Marination part is done for the soya bean tikki here. Okay. So now I can use it for the high grill rack with a multi cook pan. I can keep inside. Okay. Now I can select for the grill mode. Set the time for 10 minutes. 10 minutes and start. So every 3 minutes once you want to take it out, stir it and keep it back again. See, last 4 minutes 30 seconds is there. So in between once I'll open and stir it on this. So now it cooks nicely. Just we stir it, keep it back again, close the door and start the button. So that is for the continuation of program. Last 10 seconds is there. So now your recipe is ready. Okay. See, ma'am. So soya bean tandoori kebab is ready.